Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant shares major updates today. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant inspected the COVID-19 facilities at Sub-District Hospital, Ponda. CM took to social media and said the following. Inspected the COVID-19 facilities at Sub-District Hospital, Ponda today, discussed and reviewed all issues related to COVID management with Dr. Vilas Kulvelkar, including oxygen supply. The medical team at the hospital is working around the clock to save lives in these tough times. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also shared about the tanker leakage issue which occurred yesterday. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant said. Visited the South Goa District Hospital today. The tanker leakage issue which occurred yesterday was promptly tackled by the maintenance team. The team of doctors and healthcare workers at the hospital are doing commendable work in treating around 500 patients admitted presently. Also, there is no issue of oxygen supply in the hospital. I thank the private doctors who are giving their valuable service at the hospital in this pandemic. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also shared about Dura cylinders. CM said that Dura cylinders are now being planned to be installed as backup to GMC's O2 manifold. Each one of these have a capacity of at least 28 jumbo cylinders as they are filled with LMO instead of pressurized gas. We are making all efforts to ensure regular oxygen supply to save lives during this critical phase of pandemic. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant also inspected and took review of the facilities at ESR Hospital, Margao. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted on social media. Inspected and took review of the facilities at ESR Hospital, Margao, which has been our prime center for COVID-19 treatment in both waves of the pandemic. Currently, around 230 patients are being treated for COVID here, and the medical team is doing an exceptional job with sufficient supply of oxygen and medicines. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.